Have you ever noticed that your super powerful AI assistant can, write a beautiful poem but completely fumbles a simple multi-step task? Well, today we're going to dive into what might be the missing piece to solve that problem for good. It's a concept called agent skills. We've all been there, right? You get this AI agent that feels like pure magic with its general smarts, but then you ask it to do a specific real-world job, and it just falls flat. So what gives? Why do these incredibly powerful models sometimes fail at things that seem, honestly, pretty straightforward?
The answer is surprisingly simple, and it's not about raw brain power. It's because they're missing specialized, step-by-step knowledge and the specific context for the job you're giving them. It's like they have this massive engine, but they don't have the instruction manual for your particular car.
So that's the real issue we're facing, this gap between general intelligence and actually getting things done in the real world. This is the agent's missing piece. We need some kind of bridge to connect those two things, a way to package up all that procedural knowledge so an agent can use it reliably every single time.
And that right there is where this idea of agent skills comes into play. It's a really elegant solution to this problem. So let's get into it. What exactly are they?
Okay, so at its core, an agent skill is, well, it's just a folder. Seriously, it's a standardized folder that has everything an agent needs, all the instructions, the scripts, the resources, to learn a brand new capability and pull off a specific task without a hitch.
The absolute best way to think about this is to imagine them as specialized toolkits or playbooks. So, if you want your agent to act like a data analyst, you just hand it the data analysis toolkit. If you need it to go through legal documents, you give it the legal playbook. It's really that simple. So, what happens when we actually start giving our agents these toolkits? This is where it gets really exciting, moving from just a cool idea to something practical. We're talking about unlocking a whole new level of capabilities that were just too unreliable or even impossible before. This approach really opens up 4 key things. First up is domain expertise. You can package up really specific knowledge, like your company's unique way of analyzing data, and turn it into a skill anyone's agent can use. Second, you get new capabilities. You can literally teach an agent to do something new, like creating a slide presentation from a document. Third, you get repeatable workflows, so those multi-step jobs become consistent and reliable. And finally, and this is a big one, interoperability. Because it's an open standard, the same skill can work on a bunch of different AI platforms.
And that last point, interoperability, is just massive. It means this isn't just about making one agent better. It's about creating a shared toolkit for everybody, building a truly collaborative AI ecosystem.
What you get is this amazing win-win-win situation. So for the skill authors, the folks creating these toolkits, you can build it once and then deploy it everywhere on tons of different agent products. For the agents themselves, they get to learn new tricks instantly, right out of the box. And for teams and enterprises, they can finally capture their own unique internal knowledge in these portable packages that their whole organization can use.
And this whole collaborative idea is really the heart of it all. Agent skills were never meant to be some closed-off proprietary thing. The whole philosophy here is about building an open future, a shared standard that everyone can build on top of.
The agent skills format actually started with Anthropic, but they pretty quickly released it as an open standard. And now it's being picked up by more and more AI development tools, and the standard itself is open for anyone in the community to contribute to.
And if you're curious and want to see how this all works under the hood, you totally can. It's all out in the open. You can jump onto GitHub right now and see the complete open standard. They've even got a library of example skills so you can see exactly how they're put together.
And that's really the big idea here. As this open standard gets bigger, the power to teach AI really complex, specialized jobs is moving out of these giant research labs and into the hands of every developer and creator out there. And that leaves us with a really fun question to think about. What skill will you teach an agent first?